So this is for the Cory Voss Praise the King. The original's in C. We at our church we play in B, so I hope this is helpful. There is a drone that's happening on the root. It's much more washy. I usually just we play it kind of staccato, or so it's fourth fret. Go up a whole step. And then that lead lick, we're just going on the B string, fret 5 to 12 to 14 to 11, 5 to 12, 14, 14. So 5, 12, 14, 11 on the E string, 5, 12, 14, 14, E, B, or F sharp, C sharp, and then so that's your instrumentals, and it's the bridge riff as well. You can do that if you're having two electrics, or if you're trying to fill the whole space with one guitar. I think that works pretty well. So that would be instrumentals and the bridge. The second half of the first verse, he does this fun little. So we're starting on the B string, 12, 11 to the G string, 11, 13, and then 14, 16. You can go back to 12 if you want. And then we do this nice little minor, double stop, 14, 12. That would get you into first chorus, which you can drone if you have enough, if you're washy enough, or you can sit out and let it kind of breathe. Both work. If you got synth and pads, you might not need to play. And then second verse is fun little lick that starts on the 6th fret on the D string. Then like a B chord, and kind of build it up with the band. So 12 fret B for the second chorus, and then just a fun little kind of short little hook to 14, 11, 14, and then a familiar kind of sound, kind of in the lead, the instrumental or intro hook. Intro, sit out for the bridge. You could add some more overdrive, get a little more gritty. You basically play the intro part for the bridge for the second part through, sit out for the down chorus, and then when we get back in, you're just big with the band. And that's basically the song. Hope that helps.